Hi, everyone. I want to go deeper into a topic we talked about a few months ago that got a lot of traction, which is the idea of how do we reduce inbound cash payments and call in payments in general, because there are much less labor intensive ways of taking payments. And the idea is if we can level up your team's time, they have more time to do things like make outbound calls to renewals or spend time cross selling. So the shift of time management in insurance agencies has to move from what are the jobs that we can keep reducing so that we can do the better stuff. So we did one on the idea that if you take a walk-in payment, say it takes 15 minutes by the time you do the greeting, the socialization, the transaction, the person leaves, that's 3 hours a year. So what we want to do is back that up today with a little bit more. We want to tell you exactly how to have that conversation to get someone off of EFT or someone onto EFT. What I want you to do right now is think in your head the client that's just going to give you the biggest hard time. And I say this because it doesn't matter how hard of a time they give you. This is a great person to practice on. Because even if they say no, the next person that's going to come in is going to be a breeze. So what I want you to do is think, hey, someone comes in to make their payment or calls in. Every single time we need to have a conversation with them about their payment options. Just because you said it last time doesn't mean that it's enough. When they know you're serious about it, they're going to take it more seriously. So if somebody came up to my desk, I'd say, hey, I'm taking a look at this. Do you know that you're overpaying for your insurance? Drop it down just like that, stone cold face, because I want to create a pocket for them to have interest into what's going on. Now, you meet the person, what are you talking about? Well, the carrier that you're with is actually charging you a fee to go ahead and pay this way, where if we get you on pay in full or electronic payments, they're going to actually save you money. This is $72 a policy. You have 2 policies with us, so that's over $140 a year I can save you right now. And then I want you to zip it, be quiet, don't say another word. I don't want to get on EFT, I don't want people in my bank accounts, right? Again, the nastiest person you can find. Well, we can actually pick the day it comes out, or you could pay in full and you can pay by check and it's just the same way, but we can save you $140 today. Zip it. No, I'm not interested. I understand. So you want to pay more for your insurance than you have to? EFT is very safe today, and we can even pick the date it comes out of your bank account. Are you sure it's not something you want to reconsider? No, I like coming in here and seeing you and eating all your candy on the candy dish. Trust me, I could have a whole 3-minute video on why you shouldn't have a candy dish in your office. I might do that soon. Well, in the event that there's a national pandemic going on and we're really trying to reduce cash just for safety concerns, would you consider coming in with a money order or check instead? I could do that. Then at least we're saving that time that we can on going to the bank account and the deposits and all these other things. People have to get money orders for other reasons. So then I would give them a flyer that said, here's the savings, here's how you could do it. Or you could even call the carrier so that in the event you can't get here in time, there's the option. And you want to keep giving people options. Next time the person came in, I'd say, hey, I know we're going to talk about this again. Have you reconsidered? Have you thought about it? And thank you so much for bringing in a money order. That really helps us out. But the bottom line is you need to have a consistent effort to reduce it. And when you're reshopping someone or having new business, there shouldn't be an option to pay, in any other way than EFT or pay in full. And that's our 3-minute training tip today. It helps save your agency time, have safety protocols in your agency. But also remember, the idea is that just because we think that's the way a client wants to pay doesn't always mean that it's the best for the business, and doesn't always mean that it's profitable for us. I know it's really hard. These people become your friends and they become close, but we always need to be doing our job to reduce it so that we can focus on other things too. That's our tip. Have a great day. Are you an insurance agency with over 10 people in your small commercial and personal lines departments? Do you love our videos, podcasts, and content? If so, we heart you. We love you for that. We're pleased to announce our agency performance program. It's a 2-year program that gives your agency a butt kicking. No, we're here to make you ridiculously amazing, but gotta get serious about it. We're going to give you a plan for your agency with the support of my entire team and me, Kelly Donahue-Pira, as your coach for your agency, one and only. We'll start with an assessment of the agency and then get key metrics so we can be working on them. We'll launch your team efficiency and start a time management program. Then we're going to go into renewal review calls and install a sales process. You're going to get all of our process templates along the way and access to me as we hit any road bumps, speed blocks, etc. We're only taking 20 clients into this great program this year. So if you're interested, hop on right now. But it is only open to agencies with over 10 people that focus in personal and small commercial, and just the departments. Your whole agency doesn't, but we'll be working with that department. And you get unlimited attention from me. Who wouldn't want that, right? Maybe you do, but maybe the team doesn't. I don't know. Hopefully we get it all going. Reach out today so that you can secure your spot, and we'll see you soon.